Hi guys, VST here, Velian, welcome back on my channel guys. It is February, which means it's time for yet another video on the best watch faces for your beloved Huawei watch. This time guys, I'm gonna name all the files so that you know what I'm showing, where you can find it, right? We're gonna be showing here 10 beautiful watch faces. Again, I'm gonna be putting all these watch faces in one big zip file. The link is gonna be into this video description guys. So let's start with the first one. This is the Space 261. It is a beautiful watch face. If you are a big fan of the animations, then I think this is for you. You can see here we have the percentage of the battery. We can see real-time monitoring of your pulse. We have the date here, also very nice, SpaceX, and of course we have the steps. This is why this watch face is called actually Space 261. So if you are a fan of Elon Musk, of Tesla or of SpaceX, guys, you might want to consider the SpaceX watch face. Let's continue with number 2. Number 2 in the list is the Grand Precision. And guys, what can I say more about this watch face? But yeah, words stop here, right? I mean, yeah, just look at this. It's really beautiful, and I'm not a person to often lose my line of thought, but this really looks amazing. I'm not even sure if you can see this on the video, but they even are having here the texture of time. So this looks really like an ancient, very expensive watch, probably 20-30 years old. It has this patina here, this effects of the age and all the errors and etc, like the errors here and also the lines, the numbers. It's just incredible. So if you want to go with a retro original style, that might be for you. All right, let's go with number 3. And guys, number 3, as you can read from the title, is the Omega Blacks Gray. And yeah, let me just show you guys. I mean, speaking about old and style and retro and classic, we have here the Omega Professional. I mean, just look, it is really a stunning design. All the errors here look from metal. They even have, and they cast this shadow, you know, you see here, we have even this element here of the shadow. It looks so realistic, so 3D. So we have the seconds here. We have also some representation of the weather. It's just a very classic watch style. And I mean, it's Omega, right? So if you want to play a classic guide just for 1 second, don't hesitate. This is your watch face. Let's go now and check number 4. As the name also suggests, digital ANI 211. All right, guys, come on. This is really something more modern here. We have here the weather, we have the date here, we have here also the steps, we have the calories burned. We have here also a modern digital time representation. We can also see the date, and of course there is also in real time the HR monitoring. Very classy, I would say, very classy design, but also very modern, right? If somebody asks you what time it is, you can just show it like this. They'll see, hey, this guy knows things. This is really a nice digital watch face. Let's go directly, guys, from this one to the next one, which is number 5. Number 5 is the SP2146, and it does retain this nice digital style. Honestly, if you would ask me, guys, I do prefer the digital clock faces. I mean, if you really want to go analog, then just probably save some money and just buy a real thing, but they're so expensive, right? This one here is digital again. I'm also a fan of the circular shapes. So we have here the battery indication, we have the HR, we have the steps, we have the calorie. Of course, we have also the date and the day of the week. Of course, here below we have the time. Very nice design, guys. It is also dark, even I think almost black, which pretty much means that it will conserve your battery. So if you want to go with a rather simple but still nice looking digital watch face, this one is for you. All right, let's see what the next watch is, number 6. All right, guys, number 6 is called Just Earth. I'm gonna tease you for a moment. Now, just please memorize this time of the video. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think this Earth is gonna be, okay? Just memorize your thought, put it down in below in the comments, all right? I'm waiting. Okay, you're done? Here it is. This is the Earth watch face. Again, if you're a fan of the animations, I think this is for you. By the way, also a very classy and a very nice watch face. You can see we have the Earth rotating here. It has this 3D, very realistic design. We have all the vital information like the HR, the calories. We have here also the steps in kilometers. We have also the temperature here and the weather indication. We have the date of the week, and we have also the time here. Again, it does look very modern, very 3D realistic. I mean, if you look just for a moment, then you might think, oh, this is a real watch, right? You might not even see that's a watch face, because I think all the animations and all the 3D design work of this watch is really astonishing. So if you're a fan of something like this one is for you. Animation lover and also digital lover. But guys, Let's go now and see what is number 7. And I promise you, this one is going to surprise you. Alright, you might already recognize what it is, Pip Boy Fallout. Yeah, just let me show you guys. If you ever played PC games, not only PC games, but mainly PC games, if you ever played Fallout, then you might recognize this little fellow here. This one is one of the most amazing watch faces I've seen. I don't know even why. I mean, it looks so simplistic, but at the same time futuristic, right? And this green, right? This green and this black background, this really stands out, guys. Here we have the time here, right? We have also the steps in kilometers. We have the HR. We have the battery indication. We have here the date. I think this is actually in German, Donnerstag. We have also here the weather icon, and then we have this walking boy, and this is so amazing. So if you are a fan of Fallout, this might be your watch face, guys. Bit more to go. Let's check the next one. Next one is number 8. Did I mention that I'm a fan of digital and I'm a fan of circular shapes? I think I did so. So boom, Ovis, alright? This one is the Ovis 251. Again, guys, look at this. It's really a piece of art. Very modern, very realistic, in the same time digital and circular shapes. This is really what I like the best. Here we have the percentage of the battery, we have the steps here again in kilometers, we have the HR, and I like the colors, guys. I like also the font, and again they have this 3D realistic effect. I'm not even sure if you can see this on the video. I try to do my best here, but it just looked really like one piece with the watch. So this is one of the top faces that I've seen specifically for February, right? It's called again Ovis 251. Let's see number 9 right now. Number 9, it's called the Digital 3GB. Boom, here it is. All right, if you are a fan of the minimal watch faces, if you don't want to get the most out of your batteries watch, this is it. We have the battery here, 55%. We have the steps here. We have the HR. We have again the time. Only white colors, no big problem. We have the elevation here, right? We have also this nice icon of the weather, which is actually also with color. We have the day of the week. We have also here the weather, like Celsius temperature. This one very informative. You know, it's not very cluttered, again minimalistic and digital, so this, you cannot go wrong with that one. And guys, only one left to be seen. This is the AND 32e. All right, probably not saying it even right, but here it is. Okay, so if you are a fan of the pure digital classic clock, this is it, right? This looks stunning, guys. Why? Because it even mimics here the LCD of a classic electronic watch. We have a big time indicator, we have a day of the month, we have the date, we have here the seconds, we have the steps, we have the battery, we have the heart rate, and the distance in kilometers. I mean, what more can you want, right? And again, I like this one because it really mimics here the LCD screen of a real watch. So again, if you are a fan of that one, no going wrong with that one, guys. I really hope that you like videos like this. Please let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. Right now I'm just doing this as a monthly release, so every month I just sit down and I pick one of the best watch faces and I share this with you guys. This time again, I'm gonna be putting now all the files into one zip so that you pretty much know which face corresponds to which file. And if you like these videos, guys, you might want to subscribe for the channel. 96% of watching these videos are not subscribed. Please help me change that one. Please stay safe, and we're gonna be catching up in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.